So guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video, we will explain the trades that we provided in the free group as well as in the VIP group. For those who are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description. You can check it out, or you can also text us on Telegram. All the links are available in the description, so go and check them out. So let's start the video. First, I will begin with the first trade that we provided in the free group. It was on a CADJPY pair for a downside move. Let me explain the trade. You can see a resistance level, a downtrend, and the moving average was also there. That's why we provided a signal for a downside move, and it was an amazing trade. Now let's move on to the second trade that we provided in the VIP group on a GBP-JPY pair for an upside call move. Let me explain it. Here, you can see a support level and a pattern. The candle moved slightly upward, forming a pattern. Those who have watched our previous videos already know how this pattern works. Because of this, we provided a signal for an upside move, and it was an amazing win. Next, let's move on to the third trade that we provided in the VIP group on CHFJPY for a downside move. Here, you can see a downtrend, and the moving average was also present. That's why we provided a signal for a downside move, and this was also an amazing win. Now, let's move on to the next trade on CHFJPY for an upside call move. Let me explain it. Here you can see a support level and again a pattern, a continuation pattern. That's why we provided a signal for an upside move, and this was another amazing win. So the session ended here, and we won all 4 non-martingale trades. All our trades were non-martingale. If you want to avail of our services, you can text us on Telegram. All the links are available in the description, so go and check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment your thoughts about the video. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.